time for exact notes. It's just exact notes. Music rocks. Yeah.
Welcome to lesson number 1, day 1, hot cross buns. We've got a lot to do, so let's get started. The first thing you have to know is how to hold the ukulele. So you can see I've got it sitting in front of me. The neck is going to go in my left hand. So if you hold up both of your hands, and you're facing the camera like this, so hold up both of your hands. The left one will grab the neck like that. And I'm going to put my hand up toward the top here so that my thumb is facing toward the ceiling like that. And then I'm going to stand up so you can see a little better. You don't need to see my face all the time, we just need to see the ukulele. My right hand thumb is going to pluck the open first string. And if I want to, I can grab on here a little bit. And that's just fine for right now. If you're sitting, just put it on your lap so that the curve is going to go right on top of your leg, which, you can imagine that my leg is right there. Boop. And it should feel pretty comfortable. A lot of times the ukulele is held kind of up by the rib cage, so about where your ribs start, the instrument can go there, and you can kind of hold it around on your arm like that. Okay, so here we are, open first string, go ahead and play that. And then I'm going to take my pointer finger on fret number 1 and press it down, but we're not going to play that. We're going to go up to fret number 2, and then fret number 3, and then fret number 4, like that. And if you pinch it real close to the nail so that your finger is right on the tip like that, very close to where your nail is, 1, 2, 3, 4, so that it's on the point of the finger. You can see my finger is curved, so you don't want it to land flat. You want your thumb to be on top like that. Pinch it nice and hard, and then give it a pluck. And this is measure 1 of hot cross buns, and we're going to play 4, and then we're going to go down to 2. But let's count first. We're going to go 4, and then down to fret 2, 2, and then measure 2 just plays 0. So we take our finger off, and then we count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's try measure 1 again. Back up to number 4. 1, 2, then back down to fret 2. 1, 2, and then lift your finger off and pluck it and count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's what each of the triangles are in the sheet music. So you'll see that there's a triangle underneath your numbers, and that means that you're supposed to hold it for each extra beat, and that's all we're going to do today. Point your finger on the frets. Hold the ukulele. That's plenty. We're going to add on to it, and by the end of the week, we'll have the whole song done. So, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and maybe just kind of comment on how you like the song. Like, yay, that was fun, or boo, that was boring, or that was too easy, or I'm confused, or whatever, however you feel. Do that, and then tomorrow we will go on to the next the next part of the song, and blah, blah, blah. I'm done talking now. Good job. Have a good day.